Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Captain A7 here. Welcome back to PUBG Mobile. We're going to play Duo Arcade War with my dear friend again, Error786. So, dude, are you ready? I don't know if he's ready. Let's play Arcade War.
Okay, man.
Arcade War, let's get started. Okay, it's taking time. I'll see you guys in the lobby. Thank you. So, we're here, Spawn Island, Erangel, War is in Malta,
Michael Power. I think it's gonna be Car 98 war.
maybe.
Or it's AR.
Jump. It's a vector, bro. It's a
Vector.
SMG WAR. I got a vector.
Same here.
I love the vector in an SMG WAR.
Did you keep a squad or a duo?
This is a duo, bro. Whoa. Whoa, that was horrific, dude. That was horrific. OMG. Oh, yo, revive me. Yeah, I'm revived now. Now it's fine. Oh, there's a guy. There's a guy landed just behind this. Oh, new landed.
Bro, I need the.
Got the Chris vector.
Bro, here. Here, revive.
Come here, come here, come here. There's a guy. There's another.
Revive.
Yeah.
Look up in the air.
Dope. Dude.
You're not possible, right?
Dude, revive.
How did you get knocked, right?
I don't know, bro. I don't know. Not sure. Yo, this vector is awesome, bro.
Bro, look up in the air.
Yeah, I am. I actually need to heal, bro. From when I was revived, I'm not healing. Come on, guys. Somebody. Bring up the vector ammo here. From here. There are guys down.
Don't go down.
I'm not going. Give me that vector ammo.
I need the ammo, bro, please.
So do I, bro. I just got, like,
I just
yeah.
got zero.
0. Oh, okay, hold on.
Why did you go down?
I unfortunately jumped, bro.
Is it me again?
Oh! Help!
Where is he?
I'm down. It's okay, I'm in cover. Come fast. Back. I'm dying. Poor guy, he couldn't get the kill.
Ah, shit. Bro, I'm dead.
You? What happened?
No ammo.
Chicken dinner, boy. There you go, guys.
Chicken dinner.
A perfect chicken dinner is done like that. This was a really quick chicken dinner, bro.
Yeah,
I never
actually
expected
it was
that.
really quick.
11 kills, 4 kills. There you go, boys. Thank you guys for watching this time around.
I think in this my work is like reviving you.
Yeah, that's... No, you did some pretty great kills, right? I got the vector, I finished up the game. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching.
Thanks guys, please do subscribe.
Do subscribe, like, share,
and
hit
hit
that.
bell.
Yeah, I forgot that notification. Alright, guys. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, guys.